Hey guys, Sylvia here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my simple sketch video kit review. So again, simple sketch video kit review, and I thought it was quite an interesting and cute product, and I thought I would bring it to your attention, guys. What this tool essentially does is turn like a plain image and text into an animated sketchy videos in a fast and easy way. So it is like surprisingly a Warrior Plus launch. Normally, tools like that are launched on JVZoo, but yeah, I found it on Warrior Plus, and then I went to check the vendor's profile. Let me just log in. And I'm like thinking, ooh, he has really got a good score on Warrior Plus. So that's the vendor. His name is Max. Okay, and then I'll show you the whole funnel. There are a few upsells and downsells to it. Interesting ones, like very, very useful ones too. And check this out, guys. I mean, quite amazing. He has like 4 stars and a half out of 5, and he has launched like 7 products so far, and most of them to do with like video marketing and like video editing. As you can see, there's Camtasia. Obviously, Camtasia is like a video, like a screen recorder, and to do with video editing as well. I don't use Camtasia myself. I use Screencast-O-Matic, but I may actually switch at some point to Camtasia because I have heard a lot of good things about this video editor. So yeah, amazing like score, and his products are very like in a specific sort of video marketing niche from what I have noticed. So yeah, okay, let's check it out. And also before we go ahead, I would really encourage you guys, if you're interested in affiliate marketing, perhaps on affiliate marketing and learning how to generate traffic and how to master email marketing, I have 3 amazing courses, guys. Pick them up, they're free. Okay, you just click on the buttons here. I have used these courses myself, and they really kick-started my affiliate marketing journey, and I'm like making sales on a regular basis thanks to these courses specifically. So I give them away for free, guys. The front ends to all of these courses are totally free. There are free amazing upsells later on if you decide to take it more seriously, but with the front ends alone, you will get so much value. You'll be, blown away. Trust me. Amazing vendor too, very trustworthy guys, and very techie knowledgeable and all of that. So wholeheartedly, I recommend them. The link is just down below my review. Okay, so now I'll show you the funnel as well. Not many, just 3 upsells, and they're just, give you additional features. I will go through everything, but now let's check out the sales page. So on the sales page, and the link will be right below my review, so check it out for yourselves if you wish so. And yeah, so basically, let me just show you. Here is this like sales video. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna turn a regular photo into this like sketchy video. So you see that first the man appears, then the whole background, and then the text as well. So they're becoming very popular, these videos. And you can, like, if you're a freelancer, for example, because you can get the commercial license option here as well. So you have 2 options within the front end. So if you want to use it for your clients, get the commercial license, the one that gives you the commercial license, the PLR, the so-called PLR. And actually, I don't want to give you the wrong information. We'll get to the prices in a sec, so I'll show you what exactly is included within the prices. So you see, it's just showing you the kind of stuff you can do, the animated backgrounds, the mock-ups, this and that. Okay, picture frames. Okay, quite cool, quite cool. Even for like your Instagram stories, or if you're managing some Instagram accounts for your clients, this could be super useful as well. I think. Okay, and it says like this video was created 100% with animations and templates from this package. Okay, so you will get access to the same video template. You can edit with your own details. So you get some templates, and obviously, you know, they say here introducing simple sketch video kit. So whiteboard sketch videos are really popular these days, and simple sketch video kit makes it super easy to create these types of video regularly, so you can turn easily and quickly plain videos, not videos, sorry, images into animated sketch videos, and you will have 4 styles to, like 4 art styles to choose from. So like either the line art, sketch, color sketch, and painting. Okay. And you can choose from 25 artistic reveal animations or sketch lines, ink drops, grunge. I'm not sure what that means, to be honest. That's not my niche, but you know, I thought it was super cool product and like very interesting vendor, by the way. Yeah, someone who seems to be very passionate about video editing and all of that. And way more. So here, like you can create photo slideshows, whiteboard videos, logo reveals, animated backgrounds, mock-ups, and much more. And you have done for you templates, which are included. Yeah, so they're showing you here what you can create with. As you can see, that's what it looks like. The logos, the animated maps, photo slideshows. Pretty cool stuff. Okay, so, and you would really do it with 3 simple steps. So the step number 1, you first turn your image into art. So you can see it will look like this. So you'd use the plain image, and you have the you can use it for either creating the art line or the sketch or color sketch or painting. Okay, so that's what basically what you would do. They say you just drag and drop your image inside the smart template and hit save. It really takes just a few clicks, so it's kind of like drag and drop, and it changes into whatever you choose. Okay, and then animate, step number 2, animate your image. You see, that's what's gonna happen. So like the person appears first, and then the background, you can do that too. And on top of that, you can also add handwritten text. And yeah, so check this out. So in 3 steps, they went from a plain image to an awesome animated sketch. So the person first, the background, and then the text appears as well. Which is, yeah, it's definitely a cool thing. If that's something for you, if you need a tool like this, again, like, you know, if you're into video marketing, you're a freelancer, you know what you're doing, guys, having a tool like that would be a great addition to your, perhaps, like a Fiverr or Upwork or people per hour profile. Yeah, that's cool. All right, so, and, so you can do it yourself, or you can skip all steps above with done for you Camtasia templates. So you can do that too. You'll have the templates, and here is what you will get inside of this product. Now, I don't have the members area to show you precisely, but I was trying to find a way to contact this vendor. I just found him. I just discovered him, okay, recently. But he doesn't really give contact details to hit him up on either, you know, it's normally I contact the vendors via Skype or Facebook, but no details. So I was like, I had no way to really reach out for the review access. But what he says he's gonna give you here is what you will get with this product. With the front end is MP4 videos. So MP4 is one of the most widely used video formats, and is compatible with pretty much every video editor, well, of course. And you'll get video tutorials or training on how to create a handwriting effect using a free online AI tool, and then add the handwriting animation to any video editor. And you will get done for you templates. You will also get a Camtasia templates with all of the different effects and animations in place. Just swap out the images and text with your own to quickly customize the templates and create your own scenes. Okay, so 30 days money back guarantee, and okay, you have two different options to get this product. The first one is the commercial. Okay, so you get the commercial license even with the option number 1. So with this license, you can use the product in your own commercial projects and projects you create for your clients. So even with this cheaper option, you still can use it for your clients because it comes with the commercial license. You can charge your clients money for your projects you create for them using the assets in this product. You buy it once, you can use it in unlimited number of projects, so it's royalty free. So this one is $19.99. And then the second option, guys, is the PLR, so personal license rights license. So with this license, you can sell this product as your own, okay, under your name, your order buttons, and etc. You'll get the main product itself, the same sales page, sales, videos, graphics, files, and email swipes. With this PLR license, you can sell unlimited number of copies and keep all the money. So, okay, so it's, obviously, personal license rights, so you can resell this product. Well, sell this product as your own, okay? But there are do's and don'ts that you can and cannot do, okay, with the PLR. So, for example, one of them, you cannot give it away for free, okay? And there are, you cannot transfer resale rights and stuff like that. So check all of the do's and don'ts, sort of, like the things you can and cannot do with the PLR option. The link to the sales page is right below my review, guys, and then let me just take you through the funnels. So that's the front end, guys, either 19 or either 20 or 40 bucks, okay. And the auto number 1 is either 20 or 40 bucks. And here you will get art makers pack. You will be able to unlock 9 more art makers that turn plain images into pencil sketches, paintings, comic book drawings, and more. So 9 more features. And the OTO number 2 price is the same, either 20 or 40 bucks. So it's the sketch animations pack. You can unlock hundreds done for you, animated sketch graphics that you can copy and paste into your videos. And then OTO number 3 is the commercial, which is the commercial or 147 PLR, is a bundle of 8 previous graphics products at a discount. Right, I guess he's talking about his previous products, because he has released like 7 products so far. So 7, 8, he's talking about 8 here. Where was it? This one here. Okay, so you will get them at a discounted price, like a bundle of all of his previous products. And as I did point out to you, he's got a very good score. People say they love it, so it must be very good quality. Alright, that's all. There's not much more I can talk about here, guys. If that's for you, can grab it. The link will be below my review. If not, then don't get it. But by all means, you can grab my free courses. I always recommend them because they are superb. The vendor is really great, and he will be there for support. You can really you grab these courses for free, no credit card needed, just with your email, and you can email him, he'll get back to you. He's very, very responsive and here to stay. So not the so-called guru who's gonna tell you're gonna make, thousands from tomorrow with one click, blah, blah, blah. But he will tell you as it is, and it is really, really priceless these days, because not many people will tell you the truth these days. Sad but true, but well, that's the time we live in. So, honesty is one of the most precious things in the world. It is so valuable that oftentimes it is guarded by a bodyguard of lies. as Winston Churchill said. With this quote, let me finish this review, and I shall see you in my next one. Mwah, bye, love you and leave you. Kisses from London. Bye.